sensitive document sa pag-lodge.
Ang tawag dyan in that particular document before, in the TCC era, is IEIRD. Import Entry and Internal Revenue Declaration, that's BC Form 236. Una sa una. Kung niya kaya computerized man, naging SAD. Bakit SAD? Kasi single.
Administrative document.
Tapos, under the CMPA, may additional na tawag pa rin sa kanya. Ano yun?
Error.
Error? GD! Consideration. Pag sinabi mo consideration, automatic yan sa entry. SAD or the entry. Okay? So doon sa SAD, may mga boxes na i-fill in. So yan yung nandiyan. Yung cost of value, doon mo daw ilagay. Box 22, box 42. Diba may center kayo this afternoon at select. So yun. Saan i-input yung mga value. Yung Incoterms, saan ilagay. So kaya, kailangan makinig kayo ng mga dito. So dutiable freight, then dutiable insurance, then other dutiable charges. If, during our discussion last time, FOB included already origin other charges. Saan nag-refer yung other charges dyan? Sa letter D. Carpet, maybe but not all. So you need to be specific which among those charges in the carpet.
Yeah.
Or the adjustments, ha? Kasi, gusto ng carpet ba yun? Carpet ba? Kasi pag hindi customs, carpet. Pina-carpet pa din ninyo ba sa insurance? Carpet siya, di ba? Kahit siya.
Carpet.
Stands for, carpet stands for
Commission, assist, royalties and license fees, packing,
good.
receipts, insurance, transaction, ay, transport costs.
Packing and proceeds sa dalawang P. Okay?
Carpet.
Punta niyan. So, alam na natin that packaging, di ba? Origin other charges nasa FOB na. So, ano yung nandito? Yung sa commission. Di ba commission, sabi sa ano? What is the commission? Hindi yung agency ng gobyerno, ha? Sa computation. Commission is?
Kanang ko ni
Sa third party.
Yes, it's an amount paid to a middleman, di ba? A broker who was responsible in locating the buyer. Kasi ang requirement is, commission must be paid by?
Seller.
Very good. It must be a selling.
Seller.
Kailangan seller na bayad. Kaya nga, except buying commission nakalagay dito. So, meaning, selling commission siya, binayad siya to a middleman. Kasi hindi naman yung binayaran ni buyer or the seller. I-charge based on the invoice. Wala yan, hindi pa kasama yun. So, in addition to that, there will be the commission. Except, kung nilagay na doon specifically na included na, pinalam na ni seller kay buyer nito, part ng babayaran mo. Another, ano pa? Assist. So, what is an assist? Sabi ko na po, sir, sakit. Sakit. Bukol siya, assist.
kanang sa pag-handle ng naay kay ano na
Yeah, it's an assistance. It's a
may
aid, it's a
importers.
help. Who provided the help?
Buyer.
Buyer, sir?
The buyer. Yes. So it's a help provided by the buyer, but of course, it has cost. Diba may value yan? Lahat ng dadali ng buyer, ibigay ng buyer, pupunta kay seller. The requirement is that the assist must be related, of course, to the goods. Diba? Diba yung sinabi ko sa inyo? I-remind lang, tamo, no? Order si buyer ng item, let's say clothing materials, tapos made of alpaca fiber. So ngayon, yung manufacturer in foreign countries, say China, na short sa raw material.